Ukrainian army captured 103 Russian T-72B3M tanks. Ukrainian soldiers from the 47th Mechanized Brigade have captured another Russian Army T-72B3 MOD 2016, also called T-72B3M, the latest generation of main battle tanks from the Russian T-72 family. The information was decimated on social media. According to Army recognition media outlet, the 47th Mechanized Brigade has been conducting a series of offensive actions towards Robotyne, located in the Zaporizhia region. A week prior to this, Ukrainian forces reportedly destroyed several T-72B3Ms when Russian forces made a failed attempt to retake captured positions in the same direction. As a result of the Ukrainian retaliation, the Russians lost 3 tanks, while another 3 were forced to retreat. Since the onset of the war, Ukrainian forces have seized more than 550 Russian tanks. Among these, 103 have been identified as T-72B3 MOD 2016 tanks, also called T-72B3M. Following their capture, these tanks have undergone repairs and have been returned to service within the Ukrainian armed forces. The recovery and refurbishment of these Russian tanks have become the primary means for Ukraine to replenish its military vehicle arsenal. The significant number of tanks seized not only indicates the resilience of Ukrainian forces, but also underlines their strategic maneuvers amidst the persisting tensions. As the conflict continues, Ukraine's ability to turn Russia's resources into their own gives them an advantage on the battlefield, but how this will affect the broader conflict remains to be seen. The T-72B3M, also popularly referred to as the T-72B4, is a modern iteration of the renowned T-72 family of main battle tanks originating from Russia. Essentially, the T-72B3M is a significantly upgraded version of the T-72B3, featuring substantial enhancements in the realms of firepower, protective measures, and mobility.